Hi, this is Sava, Technical Director of Cool UK, and today I'm going to talk about prioritising where you should install air conditioning. A very common setup, so that when I attend the customer's property, a very common setup is a two-bedroom apartment, so open plan, kitchen, living, dining area, master bedroom and a spare bedroom, which is sometimes used as a home office. A very common setup in a modern apartment building is to have an apartment, a two-bedroom apartment with an open plan, kitchen, living, dining area, master bedroom and second bedroom, which is either a spare or a home office. The belt and brace solution for an apartment like that, budget permitting, would be to have an individual fan coil or room unit in each of those spaces. Perfect control, perfect air conditioning. However, it's often the case that the client's budget cannot stretch to having all three zones done. And we clearly say that you don't have to have all three zones done. We're happy with providing you to what's ever going to be the most comfortable but also fit your budget. So people say, where would you say to install? Where would you skip? So I'll tell you what our experience has led us to believe. Typically, if your budget allows for just a single unit, I would always advise go for the largest space, so the open plan kitchen, living, dining area. Simply because if you air condition the largest space, you have the effect of neutralizing the heat and introducing supplementary cooling into those other secondary supplementary zones. Typically, if your budget allows for just a single system, we always advise, and what I would say to the client is go for the largest zone. So the kitchen, living, dining room scenario, I would say condition that zone because that's the typical place where it will have the majority of glass. You've got the kitchen introducing a heat load. You've got a number of people perhaps in there whilst you're entertaining. So eliminating the heat from there has the effect of shutting the oven door and introducing supplementary cooling into the secondary zones of your apartment. Should your budget allow for two systems, again, I would say number one, kitchen, living, dining area and master bedroom. Master bedroom would then allow for a perfect night's sleep, close the door, perfectly quiet. If your budget allows for two systems, then of course the open plan kitchen, living, dining area, number one, and the second system I would recommend you put in the master bedroom. This will give you a perfect night's sleep. You can close the door in that zone, have it running really low and slow, really quiet, under 26 dB, perfect night's sleep. So that's the order of priority that we would recommend and that I would put forward to you. However, obviously it's your apartment, you know how you use it best, and if sleeping was the top of the priority and you were only going to have one system, then you'd put it in there. So all these things will be discussed with myself or one of my representatives during the time of survey. So if you have any more questions at all, please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below. Thank you very much.